Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone tech, camera tech, and videography tech. Today, we're going to be looking at the heavy hitter. I was reluctant to do a video on this since there's so many videos out there on this, but we're looking at the Mavic 3. This guy right here. This is the big boy in DJI's game, and we're going to be comparing it to the Mavic 2, the Mavic DJI 2S, the second version of the Mavic 2. And a lot of people ask, why are you comparing a prosumer drone to a consumer drone? But a lot of people complain that there wasn't much difference leaving the 2S to the Mavic 3. So I want to look at a little bit of the picture quality and the video quality, just so you can look at the both of them, see which ones you think's better. If you're at the 2S, are you willing to make that upgrade? Is that upgrade worth it? Is it worth your extra money to get the Mavic 3? So that's what we're going to look at now. So we're going to pull up a few stills, a few video, and we're going to compare the two. Let's look at both of them now. When looking at this guy, the Mavic 3, I didn't want to do an intensive review because you guys seen it all. It's a ton of videos on YouTube right now covering the Mavic 3. I just wanted you to look at some images, the quality. What do you think? Is it detectable by the average person? Is it detectable by your eye of any differences? And then you could kind of make a sound judgment if this is something you want to upgrade to. The 2S is a remarkable drone. It's a consumer drone. It does the great pictures, great video. I mean, it's everything you need, but this is the big boy. Do you need to upgrade to it? Let me know. Looking at the Mavic 3's footage and the DJI Air 2S's footage, which one do you think is better? Is it worth the upgrade to the Mavic 3? Are they both the same, or is it just a marginal difference? Somebody said it was a marginal difference between the video quality and picture quality of this one compared to this one. So tell me what you think in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in. As always, we're signing out from Eye in the Sky Drones. Always be safe and have fun flying.